beautiful girls. I don't even need to talk. This says it all. And we've got the beautiful girl, Scarlet, right here. She make you beautiful. So we've got the beautiful, gorgeous Victoria in the house. Can we talk about how old you are?
No.
She's 80.
Yes.
Look how good she looks. Got Dr. A in the house. I am in Goodyear at Goodyears, because it gives you good years. All about longevity, looking good, feeling good, inside, outside. We want everything looking and feeling good, right?
Yes, of course.
I don't care where you live, y'all better be paying attention because this event is a must not miss. Honestly, the deal you're offering, Dr. A, is like
One in a million, yes.
even Victoria goes, are you sure? This Scarlet treatment is for skin tightening. It's the non-surgical facelift.
It is, yeah. Skin rejuvenation. If you're old like me,
80.
yeah, almost. It will actually lift the skin, get rid of fine lines and wrinkles, get rid of pores.
You don't have to be 50 or older. You can actually
Yeah.
start as early as 20 or 30. Of course, you'll need a lot less procedures.
Yeah.
You can use it for acne scars, of course, for wrinkles and building up your collagen so you look vibrant and young, like you are 20 even if you're not. Very quick procedure. Yes, it needs to be sometimes a couple treatments to get the results, but you will see results after the first one.
We're not injecting anything into your face. It's non-invasive. There's virtually no downtime. We're literally talking about don't wear your makeup for a day. Guys, are you listening? This is a good rejuvenation for the guys as well as the girls. But the exciting part is Wednesday, June 24th from 5:30 till 7:30ish. You guys are going to be having a party here. Bring your masks. We're going to be having drinks and food. And of course, Victoria will be talking about this and answering any questions you may have. But also, you guys are going to be raffling off a Scarlet treatment to somebody, $1,000 value.
Every Scarlet purchase that evening, we're giving away free stem cells, which is $300.
And 20% off your purchase on any package that you purchase with the Scarlet. And then 10% off of every single other thing that they offer here.
Facials, dermaplaning, skincare, Ulta MD, Jan Marini, Sculpture, which is fat reduction.
So if you gained the COVID-19 pounds,
We gotcha.
but your skin is gorgeous. I do have to throw her under the bus. She is in my dating group, so if you're all single and ready to mingle, she posted one picture, and not only were the guys like, hey, but the girls were like, hey, how do you, what?
Right here.
How
right
old are
here.
you? I want to come down here for this because A, you could win a free Scarlet treatment, but number two, to get 20% off and the $300 stem cells is like literally unheard of. Nobody does this. This is such an amazing deal. Even if you can't come down, I would literally call up and book it. Honestly, Dr. A is the best. He is also a family practice doctor. You can come in one-stop shop. You can get your insides taken care of. You can get your outsides taken care of. So.
And feel great all around, yes.
And my guys and my girls who are single, you know what? I think the first thing you got to do to get yourself back in the game is to make yourself look and feel great. And Victoria can help you do that. And also Dr. A can help you do that. Oh my gosh, how can I forget about this? The goodie bags. The goodie bags. SPF Ulta MD, great brand. Let's talk about hand sanitizer. You know that's a hot commodity right now. The lip balm, all sorts of good stuff. So you're going to want to come in here, get the free stem cells with your purchase of your Scarlet, 20% off. Like, seriously?
We're also raffling off Anti-Age MD stem cells, which is $300. We have 2 or 3 we're going to be giving away too.
She's single and ready to mingle. My girl who's kind of some hot stuff. Hot stuff, here she is. Hot stuff, baby. See you on Wednesday, guys.